Today I want to quickly talk to you guys about the DJI Sale that is currently on the Digital FPV system, because there are some significant discounts in the USA and Canada on this system, and if you've been considering getting one, now is probably the best time. Now, because Father's Day is around the corner, DJI have put this sale out. As I mentioned, it is only in the USA and Canada. I don't know what other countries it's going to be coming to. Hopefully we may even see it in the UK as well, as Father's Day is a little bit later, but there are some big discounts to be had. Now, if we take a look at the discounts, as you can see, they've got some sales on the Mavic 2, the Mavic Mini, the Phantom 4 Pro V2 as well, and a couple of other products. But the FPV system is what has seen the biggest discounts, in my opinion. And if we take a look at the main FPV page, you can see that they've dropped the price on some of the elements quite significantly. Specifically, the Experience combo has dropped from $887 to $639. And that is probably the best combo most users will go with out of the door, because it provides the goggles as well as 2 air units as well. So that means you're able to get yourself up and running on 2 aircraft. And again, that's been discounted to $639. The goggles themselves have dropped to $409. The air units are down to $149 as well. So if you are looking to get yourself a couple of extra units, there is some price reduction on them too. And there's also some discount on the remote controller as well. Not quite as much as the rest of the system, but it certainly has been dropped in price too. Now, the big one here is the price drop on the goggles, the air unit and the Experience combo, in my opinion. Those are the two that have seen the most significant discount. And whilst there is still some deals on the Fly More combo version 2, that is probably the one most people will end up going for. And if you have been considering getting the DJI FPV system, I haven't seen the prices better than this up until now, and it is probably a good time to jump in. Now, I have seen some people say, well, is there going to be a V2 and that's why they're dropping the discounts? I don't believe that's going to happen for 1 minute personally. I simply think DJI are just trying to kick things up a little bit. They're using the Father's Day as a bit of a reason to do that, and they've put some discounts in on the system as well. Now, as I said, these discounts are available directly on DJI. Now, I will put some links to these in the description of this video from the DJI website. Just to be clear, they are affiliate links. If you use them, I will receive a small amount of commission at no cost to yourselves. If you would like to support the channel, please do use those links. It's only by you guys using them am I able to keep making the content on my channel, keep making videos on things like this, and to be able to share information with you guys too. Now, with regards to the FPV system as well, there is a little bit of news I want to share with you on the end of this video as well. As you can see in the background, I have a Cube autopilot attached to my FPV. Now, it's a bit bodged at the moment because I've been doing some bench testing, and the reason for that is I've been talking to the devs at ArduPilot, and they are looking at bringing in some proper support via MSP into ArduPilot to be able to use with the Digital FPV system. Now, there is a converter available for people out there at the moment, but that isn't the ideal solution, and the idea of this is having proper native support for the DJI FPV system in ArduPilot as well. So that is a little bit of news for you, and that is a little bit of an exclusive, and the reason for that is I've been directly working with the guys. They're doing some fantastic work, and I'm hoping that we can actually get this sorted. Don't know a time frame. These things can take time, so don't hold anyone to that, but the chances are there will be support for this, hopefully in the near future. Alongside support for ArduPilot and the system, that does mean potentially we will see support for Bite Frost or Shark Bite as well when that system comes, and I have been talking to them on that, and I've been talking to DiviMath a little bit as well, getting some information and passing that across too, and hopefully we will have support for both the DJI system and Bite Frost as well, and I will talk about this a bit more in a future video. Now, as I said, the discounts are available. They are there. They are the best prices I have seen in quite a long time. If you'd like to support the channel, again, there are links to these in the description of this video. You will be able to order directly from DJI, and at no additional cost to yourself, you will be supporting the channel as well. That is it for this video. It was just a quick one, just to give you the update on the sale. Again, also, I will post when we have some information on the ArduPilot stuff too.